Welcome back. Lesson 7. No best strategy. In this video, I'm going to explain to you that no best strategy exists for day trading. And it all comes down to your own internal decision-making skills and beliefs. The best day trading or trading strategy that exists is inside information from a company. But clearly, that's illegal. So it cannot be used. The second best strategy is knowing the future. An impossibility. Nobody knows what the future will be for certain. You may have an idea, that's your own personal belief, not a fact. And this type of thinking and reasoning that each human investor goes through affects their decision in day trading. Now, why am I mentioning to you that no best strategy exists? If you've seen the prior videos, by now you will know what the marketplace is, who the players are, and what happens at the marketplace. What causes the prices to change, how the price is manipulated. This is important to know because nobody can tell you what the future is with certainty. Nobody can tell you that. Not a chart, not a study relating to the chart or the price action from past behavior of humans. Nothing from the past can tell you with 100% certainty what the future will be 2 seconds from now. So whenever you hear someone telling you, I know the best strategy, they're just bamboozling you. Because nobody knows what the future price for any financial instrument will be with certainty. And that's why you have a lot of speculators saying you have a 50-50 chance. By knowing that, you already know there's no best strategy. There's no strategy that's going to give you an edge higher than 50-50. Because nobody can tell you the future. And past action does not dictate future action with 100% certainty. So why do retail traders cloud their mind and their thinking with historical information that has nothing to do with knowing the future? In other words, just think the financial marketplace is a physical place. And you have the buyers on one side, you have the sellers on one side. As a retail trader, the best strategy you have is standing in the middle of the two groups and hearing to what they're agreeing to do in real time. When you hear buyers buying more and the price is increasing, you make a decision based on that information. And when you hear the sellers selling more than the buyers are getting and the price decreasing, you hear right there real life action and you make your own decision based on that. But whatever the traders did 5 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago, an hour ago, a week ago, a year ago, has nothing to do with what's going to happen in the future. All historical data provides is what these humans were thinking in their mind was a fair market price at that time. but it has nothing to do with the future. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you like the content of the video, please smash that like. Until next time.